Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update YouTube on Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now it's always worth checking for updates to YouTube because they can potentially fix any bugs with the app, as well as provide new features and enable the app to run a lot more smoothly. Now, to go ahead and update YouTube on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store. Once you've done that, you want to come and press onto the search icon down at the bottom. Next, what you want to do is come up to the top, and in the search, just go ahead and search for YouTube. Once you've located the app, all you want to do is give the app a press. Now on the app screen, you're going to see if there's an update available because you're going to see this blue button which says Update. So, to update YouTube, all you need to do is simply press the blue Update button. And what that's going to do is just take a minute or two, as you can see, to download and install the update. You can see the progress bar going around. So, you can see it's currently installing. It's just going to take a second or two to do this. And once YouTube has finished updating, then what you can do is just press the blue Open button. If you do open up the app itself and you just see an Open button and you don't see the blue Update button, that means that your current version of YouTube is already up to date. So that's basically how you can update YouTube on Android. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.